Hello children, today we are going to learn chapter 4 subject and predicate. Subject and predicate of your grammar book 2. Okay, clear? Chapter 4 subject and predicate. We have learnt about sentence and the kinds of sentences. Okay, and today we will learn subject and predicate. Subject and predicate are the parts of sentence. Every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Okay, let's learn about this. All sentences can be divided into two parts. All sentences can be divided into two parts. Okay, number 1, the person, place or thing we speak about is naming part. The person, place or thing we speak about is naming part. And second, what we say about the person, place or thing is doing part. What we say about the person, place or thing is doing part. Okay? Every sentence has two parts. Naming part and doing part. Okay? Naming and doing part. Naming part is the person, the place or thing we speak about. सेंटेंस में हम जिसके भी बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो कोई फिर पर्सन हो सकता है, प्लेस हो सकता है या फिर कोई थिंग हो सकती है, वो नेमिंग पार्ट होता है. और उसके बारे में हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं, what we say about the person, place or thing is doing part. Okay, let's see. I am going to Kolkata by train. I am going to Kolkata by train. Here, I is naming part. I is naming part and am going to Kolkata by train. It is doing part. How? Whom we are talking about? Who is going to Kolkata? Yes, I. Who is going to Kolkata? I. So who is the naming part in this sentence? I. I is naming part. And what we are talking about I? Yes, am going to Kolkata by train. This is doing part. Okay? Study the following sentences carefully. Let's read some more sentences. Here are two columns. In one column, naming parts are written here. And in the second column, doing parts are written here. Okay? Let's read out. Number 1. India is an Asian country. India is an Asian country. Here, India is naming part and is an Asian country is doing part. Because what is an ancient country? Yes, India. What we are talking about? We are talking about India. And what we say about the India? हम इंडिया के बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं? It is an Asian country. So it is doing part. Look at number 2. My mother is a housewife. My mother is a housewife. Here, who is housewife? Who is? Yes, my mother. Who is housewife? My mother. So, here the naming part is my mother and the doing part is a housewife. Okay. Number 3. Ravi and Amit. Ravi and Amit are my classmates. Ravi and Amit are my classmates. So who are classmates? Who are my classmates? Ravi and Amit. Who are my classmates? Ravi and Amit. Okay. So Ravi and Amit are naming part and are my classmates are doing part. Okay. Number 4. That man was going to see the fair. That man was going to see the fair. Here the subject, the naming part is that man. Why? Who is going to see the fair? Who is going? Yes, that man. Here, who is going to see the fair? That man is going. Yes, that man. So the naming part is that man. That man was going to see the fair, and was going to see the fair is doing part. Okay. Look at number 5. The boys played very well. The boys played very well. Here, who played very well? Yes, the boys. So the naming part is the boys, and played very well is doing part. Okay. So all of you have learned that every sentence has divided in two parts, naming part and doing part. Okay. The person, the place or thing we are speaking about is naming part, and what we say about the person, place or thing is doing part. Okay, all of you have understood naming part and doing part. Now, a naming part of sentence is known as the subject. The naming part of the sentence is known as the subject, and the doing part of the sentence is known as the predicate. Clear? Okay, everyone? And the subject refers to person or thing that does the action. Okay? And the predicate refers to the sentence beginning with the verb. Okay? Every predicate of the sentence beginning with the verb. किसी भी सेंटेंस के दो पार्ट होते हैं, एक सब्जेक्ट होता है, दूसरा प्रेडिकेट होता है, और वी कैन से नेमिंग पार्ट और डूइंग पार्ट. नेमिंग पार्ट को ही हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं और डूइंग पार्ट को प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. ओके. नेमिंग पार्ट में हम उसको रखते हैं कि उस सेंटेंस में हम जिस भी पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो नेमिंग पार्ट होता है, और उस पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में हम जो भी बात कर रहे हैं वो हमारा डूइंग पार्ट होता है. और डूइंग पार्ट जो है वो वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है. किससे स्टार्ट होता है? वर्ब से. एज यू कैन सी इन ऑल दीज सेंटेंसेस दे आर स्टार्टेड विद वर्ब. लुक हियर. इज, आर, was, played. Every doing part is started with verb. Okay? Clear, everyone? And the subject refers the person or thing that does the action, and the predicate refers to the rest of the sentence beginning with the verb. Okay? Clear, everyone? Thus, it is clear that a sentence has two main parts, the subject and the predicate. Clear, everyone? Understood? Okay. Now let's do our exercises. Exercises. Number 8. Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. Divide the following sentences into the subject and predicate. There are some sentences and you have to divide them in subject and predicate. Look at number 1. I shall not be at home tomorrow. I shall not be at home tomorrow. Here, what is subject? Who shall not be at home tomorrow? Who? Yes, I. I is naming part and naming part is subject. So, I is subject here. And doing part is shall not be at home tomorrow. As I told you, every doing part begins with verb. Here the verb is shall. So, shall not be at home tomorrow is predicate. Okay. Number 2. Kavita is my elder sister. Kavita is my elder sister. Here, who is my elder sister? Yes, Kavita. Who is my elder sister? Kavita. Okay. So, Kavita is subject and is my elder sister is predicate. Okay. As I told you, every sentence starts with a subject. Every sentence starts with a subject. Okay. So, you can find the subject beginning of the sentence. Okay. And every predicate starts with the verb. So, you can find the predicate beginning with the verb. Here is verb. So is my elder sister is predicate. Okay. Number 3. Words fly high in the sky. Words fly high in the sky. Here, who fly high in the sky? Who? Yes, words. So, words are subject and words is subject and fly high in the sky is predicate. Clear? Words is subject. What we are talking about? Who can fly? Yes, words. So, words is subject and fly high in the sky is predicate. Clear, everyone? Look here. Here are a table with 2 columns, subject and predicate. Here you have to write the subject of these sentences and here you have to write the predicate of these sentences. These are the sentences and some sentences we have explained before. 1, 2, 3. Okay. As I explained in sentence 1, I shall not be at home tomorrow. Here I is subject and shall not be at home tomorrow is predicate. So we will write I in subject and shall not be at home tomorrow and predicate. In the second sentence, Kavita is subject and is my elder sister is predicate. And third, words, subject and fly high in the sky, predicate. Okay, look at number 4. My parents have gone to Shimla. My parents have gone to Shimla. Who have gone to Shimla? Yes, who? My parents. Who have gone to Shimla? My parents. So here the subject is my parents. We will write here my parents in subject column number 4. Okay, this is number 4. So we will write here number 4, my parents. And the predicate is have gone to Shimla. And the predicate is have gone to Shimla. So we will write have gone to Shimla in predicate column number 4. Okay. Look at number 5. The girls are singing and dancing. The girls are singing and dancing. Who are singing and dancing? Who? Yes, the girls. Here, who is singing and dancing? The girls. So the girls is subject. Number 5, the girls. Number 5, the girls. And the predicate is are singing and dancing. As I told you, every predicate begins with verb. Here the verb is are. Okay? Are singing and dancing. Number 6, most boys like cricket. Most boys like cricket. Who like cricket? Most boys. Who like cricket? Most boys. So, here the subject is most boys. Okay? And the predicate is like cricket. Like cricket. Okay? Now, number 7, 8, 9, 10. These sentences you will do by yourself. Read these sentences carefully and divide it into 2 parts, subject and predicates, and write here. Okay? Do by yourself. Okay, got it everyone?